Hi, my name is Bradley. I'm a rising junior at Carmont High School, and this is my project once again, a lie detector. And since last milestone, this is my modifications milestone. Since my final milestone, I've added a heart rate sensor attached to my index finger right now, and a buzzer that basically serves the same purpose as a red LED light, which would mean whenever it detects a lie, not only would this LED light turn from green to red, but it would also buzz as well. And so right now, as you can see, I'm hooked up to the lie detector. Heart rate is a little bit higher than average. Um, I'm pretty nervous right now, but that's fine. And so now I'm going to do a little demonstration of a simulated high exaggerated, a little over exaggerated high heartbeat. I'm going to jog in place, but just to prove that the heart rate does work. And all right, and so now the light turned red, the buzzing, so everything's working as intended, and goes to show that the heart rate does work. So right now it's 110. My heart rate's around that, and now it's at yellow. As you could probably hear it, but the buzzer changed as well, and now it's now it's 100, and yeah. Now I'm calmed down a bit. It's going back into the 90s, and oops, yeah, now it's also green as well. So that's the demo, and one of the main challenges I had when making this was installing the buzzer, and the most important part, which was also the most important part, was just realizing that like small minor tweaks can play a big role in deciding if your entire program decides to run or not. So what the problem was that in my ground pin for my buzzer, or the positive side actually, was not actually connected to an Arduino pin, or in other words, the Arduino Nano chip was not properly soldered onto the board correctly, meaning that it was never actually connected to the Arduino Nano in the first place. And that's why the buzzer was not working in the beginning. Other than that, other smaller issues were just soldering in general, and some minor tweaks in the code. As the heart rate sensor was pretty easy to solder on, and creating the the logic for the code in which it would detect what would be a normal and not normal heart rate to start the beeping was all quite relatively simple as well. So yeah, this is my modification. These are my modifications done, and yeah, thank you.